Good morning class. Today we are going to study the second writing as we have already completed picture composition. Today we are going to study next writing, that is paragraph writing. Okay. Let me tell you a little about the paragraph writing. Paragraph writing is the first step to write an essay, or you can say that paragraph writing is the first step to compose the story, compose the non-fictional and fictional essays. So paragraph writing is very important because it is fundamental writing to start the practice of writing and composing something. So what is the main features of paragraph writing? First one, that is you have to select the topic, like whatever topic you would like to write. Let me give you one example. If you would like to write about the school can be a topic, zoo can be a topic, friendship can be a topic. So these are some topics you can take to write the paragraph. So what is the essential characteristics to write a beautiful paragraph? The first one, that is unity. What is unity? Unity, that means your perspective should be single during writing a paragraph. It means if you are writing a paragraph based upon some topic, you should not divert your topic within the paragraph. It means if you are talking about the school, whatever you should write, it should be related to school, like about the classes, about the teacher, about the peons, about the fourth class employee, about the school, about the glamorous look of the school, about the beauty of the school, about the beauty of garden. Whatever is related to the school, that should be written in paragraph. Your topic should not be diverted and manipulated from your topic. It means you should stick to your topic. During the paragraph, you should not divert your topic. Next one, that is order. Order, it means you have to keep in your mind that there should be a correct order to write about any topic. Let me give you one example. If we are writing about the flowers, okay? If we are writing about the flowers, we should write first? The first line should be that flowers are beautiful. First we introduce them, okay? Next we will talk about the types. Then we can tell about the various features of the flowers. Then how it is useful. Then which flower you like. So this can be the content to write about the flower. Again I am telling you class, अगर आप फ्लावर के बारे में लिख रहे हो तो आपका ऑर्डर कैसा होना चाहिए? पहले आप फ्लावर को इंट्रोड्यूस करोगे कि फ्लावर होता क्या है. तो क्या बताओगे? फ्लावर इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. ये तो आपकी साइंस की लैंग्वेज है, लेकिन अगर आप किसी को लिटरेचर की लैंग्वेज में बोलोगे तो क्या लिखोगे? फ्लावर इज द थिंग which can spread the beauty on the earth. It means flower is the most beautiful part of the nature. You can say, और ये भी कह सकते हो कि flower is the one of the most beautiful thing on the earth. ये भी लिख सकते हो. ये आपका लिटरेचर का लैंग्वेज है, लेकिन अगर साइंस के लैंग्वेज में लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे कि flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. ऐसे लिखोगे, ठीक है. आज इसके बाद आपका नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या आएगा? टाइप्स. फ्लावर के टाइप्स भी होते हैं. वो भी उनके कई बेस होते हैं. कुछ किसके बेस पर होते हैं? जहाँ पर वो उगते हैं, मतलब प्लेस कहाँ पर वो उगते हैं। कुछ के फ्लावर्स जो होते हैं वो पंखुड़ियों पर उगते हैं, किसी किसी के फ्लावर्स जो होते हैं वो पत्तियों के रूप में होते हैं, किसी किसी के फ्लावर्स मतलब अलग अलग टाइप के फ्लावर्स होते हैं और उनमें कलर भी डिफरेंस होता है। लाइक वेरियस कलर्स आर अवेलेबल इन फ्लावर्स, लाइक brown, black, blue, green, purple, whatever the flowers are having various colors. Next, various features. What is the use of the flowers? For flowers has many flowers. What it means, what the thing a flower have. Flower you can see. If I am talking about the hibiscus flower, what you will talk about it? You will talk about it that there are petals in the flowers, there is the base on the flower, and there is what is called to this point class? Stigma. What is said? फ्लावर का जो सबसे बीच वाला पार्ट होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ओके, हाँ ओके, स्टेमिन। ओके, सो ये सारी, अच्छा ठीक है सुनो, तो ये सारी चीजें आप, अच्छा ठीक है, हो गया प्लीज साइलेंट नाउ, साइलेंट क्लास, साइलेंट। ओके, लिसन। सो नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द फीचर्स ऑफ द फ्लावर, देन द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द फ्लावर। ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, अब इसकी जरूरत क्या पड़ती है हम लोगों को फ्लावर की? फ्लावर की सबसे बड़ी जरूरत क्या होती है? फ्रूट। इसकी सबसे बड़ी जरूरत क्या है? फ्रूट। किसी भी फ्लावर्स के सूखने के बाद क्या बनता है? फ्रूट बनता है। सो दिस इज द वे द फ्लावर इज इम्पोर्टेंट, फर्स्ट थिंग। लेकिन एवरी फ्लावर डजंट गिव फ्रूट, सम ऑफ द फ्लावर are also for the show off to spread the beauty also, like you can say that marigold क्या है? बस केवल फ्लावर है, इससे तो कुछ और नहीं कर सकते, फ्रूट तो बनता नहीं है। रोज ही है, आपका देख लो, रोज भी क्या करता है? केवल फ्लावर होता है, उससे कोई फ्रूट तो बनता नहीं है। बट लेकिन ये जो फ्लावर होते हैं ये क्या करते हैं? सीड प्रोवाइड करते हैं। क्या करते हैं? सीड प्रोवाइड करते हैं। क्लास, who is speaking? Let me see. Samiksha Maurya, I will just remove you from the meeting. Don't think that I am so easy and I am so kind about it. I am very furious about the mischievous practice in the class. Okay, listen to me carefully. So what I said, that some flowers give us the seed only, they don't give us fruit. So these are some various features of the flower. Then what is the use of these flowers? Use, it means to give somebody, when we give flowers to in the occasion of birthday, in the occasion of wedding, in the occasion of funeral also. funeral जानते हो क्या होता है? funeral मतलब जब किसी की शोक सभा होती है तो उस शोक सभा में भी हम लोग क्या करते हैं? फ्लावर लेकर जाते हैं। तो ये होता है आप लोग का फ्यूनरल। अब चाहे वो किसी भी तरीके का फ्यूनरल हो, चाहे वो इंडियन फ्यूनरल हो या अमेरिकन फ्यूनरल हो या किसी भी तरीके का फ्यूनरल हो, उसमें भी फ्लावर्स का यूज किया जाता है। भगवानों को चढ़ाने के लिए, गॉड को चढ़ाने के लिए भी हम लोग इसका यूज करते हैं। तो मतलब फ्लावर के हम लोग के बहुत सारे यूजेस है, तो ये यूज हो जाएगा। इसके बाद लास्ट में आप अपनी एक कंक्लूडिंग लाइन लिखोगे कि फ्लावर्स कि कौन सा फ्लावर आपको बहुत पसंद है और वो क्यों आपको पसंद है। इतना लिख करके आप पैराग्राफ फिनिश कर सकते हो। अब हम जा रहे हैं एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व करने, ठीक है? ओके, देयर आर सम एग्जांपल इज गिवन। I am just going to write the paragraph on the given topics in your book. In page number 160, you can see in page number 160 in your book, you can see that there are 10 topics given. The topics are what I like the most about my friend, Next is a dream. Next is a cricket match, caught in a traffic jam, flowers, my favorite dress shirt, traveling, saving trees, my classroom, and the favorite season. So these are some topics given about whom you have to write the paragraph. Okay. So which one I should write? Class, tell me. Which one should I write? Okay. I listen. Classroom.
Yes, ma'am. I'm saving tree.
Okay, listen to me, class. I am just going to write about my favorite season. And after that, later I will also tell you that which one is coming in your exam. I will give you 2 or 3 options so that you would be able to prepare yourself. Okay? So kindly, whatever I am going to write, kindly write them. Okay, so I am going to write about my favorite season. Class, I did some mistake that I have written F in small. We should not write the topic in small. We should always write in the capitals. Okay, first what you write? First you will write the name of the topic, and then you will start. How you will start? I have told you that we have to start by the introduction of the favorite season. So let me take the favorite season as winter. Okay. Class, copy this. Okay. just write and later I will tell whatever you are having any doubt. Okay. Let me write down because I don't have much time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in 4 copy.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, after the whole, what you have written?
I have completed, class? Class, how many lines I have completed? Kindly count.
Ma'am, 17.
17. Okay, okay. Okay. Let me complete it by the concluding line. 14 line. Okay, okay, class. Okay, I understood. Completed. Okay. So class, kindly take the screenshot. I don't have enough time. Kindly take the screenshot.
Ma'am, I have read the paragraph from starting.
Okay, okay. Okay, I am just opening that. Kindly take the screenshot. Kindly take the screenshot. Don't speak, just take the screenshot. Have you taken? Take the screenshot again. Take the screenshot.
And please see last paragraph also.
Beta, listen to me. First take the first paragraph. Sorry, the whole paragraph is there. You don't have to write many paragraphs. You have to write just one paragraph, okay? Of 17 and 18 lines, single, okay? Winter. यहाँ तक हो गया, स्नोफॉल तक हो गया. अब मैं नेक्स्ट करूँ. स्नोफॉल के बाद वाला ले लो. स्नोफॉल. हाँ, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
Ma'am, which paragraph or sentence?
इसका ले लिया स्क्रीनशॉट. अब इसका ले लो. Next. Okay.
इसका भी ले ले.
Yes, complete screenshot. Complete screenshot. Okay. Okay. Now listen to me, class. Listen to me. Nobody is speaking up now. Silent. So I have completed my favorite season. So I am going to write one more for you all. Okay. A dream. Class, okay, I have completed till yet, and इसके थोड़ा सा और आगे मैं आप लोगों को लिख करके व्हाट्सएप पर सेंड कर रही हूँ अभी थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है? सो काइंडली टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस, ओके? थैंक यू एवरीवन.